Freeze the frame right here on this rendering. What you're looking at is not just another generic EV placeholder. It is a massive, highly calculated visual disruption to the entire utility segment. While Elon Musk keeps next-generation platform development completely behind closed doors, the digital design community has officially broken the silence. Based on a stunning, hyperrealistic 3D animated simulation created by visionary automotive artist Lao Gao, we can finally visualize what a dedicated full-size Tesla SUV would look like in motion. Analyze the sheer structural presence as this fluid digital animation tracks across the bodywork. Lao Gao has completely discarded the soft, egg-shaped profiles that had defined electric crossovers for nearly a decade. Instead, this conceptual machine commands your attention with a long, imposing footprint that perfectly bridges the gap between clean passenger cars and rugged utility trucks. Up front, the design introduces a razor-sharp, closed fascia anchored by an aggressive, continuous cyberstrip light bar that cuts completely across the hood line. It feels intensely modern and broad. This is beautifully balanced by lower active cooling ducts that automatically adjust airflow, proving that sheer physical real estate doesn't have to compromise efficiency. But move your eyes down the side profile highlighted in this animated sequence, because this is where the vehicle's structural geometry reveals its true technical brilliance. The animation perfectly tracks a deeply sculpted waistline that flows from the front fenders all the way to a highly unique rear glass structure. This layout blends heavy Cybertruck aesthetic cues with fluid, aerodynamic efficiency. Instead of forcing a boxy, drag-heavy rear tail, Lao Gao has engineered a sharply sloped roofline that tapers seamlessly into an integrated active spoiler. The door frames feature completely flush, glass surface integration with electronic touch-to-open sensors, cutting wind noise down to absolute zero. Massive 21-inch low-drag turbine wheels sit housed inside subtly flared, angular arches that give the vehicle a grounded, highly muscular athletic stance. It is a highly calculated visual statement, utilizing advanced structural physics to ensure that a massive 7-seat platform can slice through the air with a drag coefficient that rivals small performance sedans. Now look past the outer sheet metal and run the conceptual engineering metrics on what this platform would house underneath the skin. Looking closely at the roofline hardware in the digital presentation, the animation reveals an ultra-clean, flush-mounted housing right above the front glass panel. This setup is built to optimize Tesla's next-generation Hardware 5 full self-driving suite. By positioning high-resolution optical cameras at a higher elevation vector, the vehicle's AI neural network gains an uncompromised field of view, calculating overlapping safety boundaries across complex environments with zero blind spots. Under the floor, the structural telemetry points directly to an advanced structural battery pack utilizing high-density 4,680 cells. This framework serves as a critical load-bearing component of the chassis, drastically increasing torsional rigidity while lowering the center of gravity. It unlocks massive interior freedom, allowing for a true, flat-floor 3-row executive lounge configuration that maximizes multi-passenger utility without sacrificing structural safety. Let's bring this clinical design and technical simulation breakdown to a highly definitive conclusion. Does this custom Tesla SUV design officially hold the edge over traditional family haulers, or is the market already moving past large utility vehicles? Analyze the market data logically. If you are a driver who strictly prefers the compact footprint of a standard sedan, or if you are completely satisfied with the existing Model Y dimensions, this massive, wide-body executive platform will not be your chosen path. But if you look at the automotive landscape with objective logic, Lao Gao's animation showcases exactly what Tesla needs to capture the premium multi-passenger segment. By wrapping a striking, cyber-inspired design language, an ultra-low drag coefficient, and next-gen autonomous hardware integration into one unified SUV footprint, this rendering sets a terrifyingly competitive benchmark for what an electric utility vehicle can be. I'm Ava. Tell me in the comments if you would park this custom-rendered Tesla SUV on your driveway over a Model X or a traditional premium family hauler. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, turn your notifications on, and I will see you in the next analysis.